Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Zakera, and in today's video, I'm going to share all the basic knowledge to apply your eyeshadow. So if you are new to eyeshadow application or are skeptical to try it, this video is definitely going to help you. So keep on watching. I always do my eyebrows before starting my eye look. Now to start with brushes first. These are the 3 different brushes you need in order to achieve most eye looks. A large blending brush to blend the larger areas, mostly used for transition shade. A small blending brush is for detailed blending like your crease area, and a flat shader brush can be used to add shadows in the center of your lid as well as for the lower lash line. Sounds complicated but will be easier once you see the application. We want an even base and a clean canvas so our colors pop out better. I'm using a concealer for that and blending using a beauty blender. Now from my eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna choose a very light shade just to set the concealer because cream products settle in the crease. To avoid that, I'm gonna use a powder and set it. You can even use a loose powder for this. Now using a large blending brush, I'm gonna pick up this shade and blend it all over like shown. Choose a lighter shade for this. We can later build up the color intensity. This will be our transition shade. And once I'm happy with that blend, I'm gonna take a darker rusty shade, dust off the excess on my small blending brush. I'm going to apply it focusing on the outer V using a small circular motion. Once again, using the large blending brush, just blending the edges. To add some shimmer into the look, I'm going to take this shade on my flat shader brush and apply only on the inner and center lid area. Going over the edges to blend with the same large blending brush. You can definitely use other color combinations instead of this one using the same technique. The pro tip here is to hold the brush from the end. This will give lesser control and a better blend in comparison to holding it towards the bristles. Using the same flat shader brush, you want to run the transition and the crease shade on the lower lash line as well to complete the look. Finishing up with some mascara and liner, and this is how the final look will turn out. I hope this was helpful and you try your hands on some eyeshadows. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe before leaving, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye.